Hey, it's Midnight Raven, and today we are looking at some very girly stickers. Oh yes, so if you weren't a fan of the 100 food sticker video I did, or the entirely purple stickers, if you're a girly girl, this is going to be right up your street. So, welcome to my channel. I am the Midnight Raven. I am an eBay reseller in my spare time, and I have had an epiphany that I like stickers. It's been going on for a while, maybe 20 years, I know. But I sat here bored one night recently and decided to order some more. So if you haven't seen the 100 food stickers or the entire 50 purple stickers, I will link them up here or in the description. And today is going to be pink. So if you know me, I'm not a pink fan, but there are people out there apart from me that like pink. So today we are bringing you 50 pink themed stickers. They came from eBay. They were £2.79 and they came from fan, FANN underscore 7059. I will try and link their shop. They do loads of other stickers apart from the pink ones. They also do 100, 200, 500 and 1,000. Yeah, you heard me. 1,000 stickers. And I'm actually considering buying the 1,000 one for £13.50, I believe it was. Which, if you take that, I paid £2.79 for 50 because they were pink, and I could get 1,000 for £13. Comment down below if you'd want to see me buy 1,000 stickers, and I will quite happily buy them because then I can show you and I can sell them. So let's get into the video. Here we have the stickers. They are all girly themed and pink. I'm guessing, you know, boys can have these stickers as well. It's not just being sexist, but they are pink, and pink isn't to everyone's taste. It's not even to my taste, and I'm a girl. So, first of all, obviously every pink girl loves a pink Starbucks. I've never had Starbucks before, so I couldn't even tell you what it's like. Next we have a donut monster truck, because who wouldn't have a donut monster truck? Next we have is a pink bra, each to their own. Pink Coca-Cola. I don't think they've ever done like pink Coca-Cola. They've done clear, or their cans are red or green. I don't know if they've ever done a pink one. Next we have water that's pink. This one isn't technically pink, but it was in there. It's Nutella, although there is pink on it. Next we have is one of the Instax cameras. I actually used to own one of these in blue until I sold it. Next we have Space Babe. We have another Instax camera, and this one is purple, but it's in there. Next we have a heart that says ouch. It has an arrow through the middle of it. Could have been a little bit more romantic. Next we have is a little old school TV. It's kind of cute. Next we have this sticker, which I believe is Wendy's. I believe this is Wendy's. Comment down below if I'm wrong, but I believe this is the symbol for Wendy's in America. Next we have I Do Not Care with a donut. It's funny to somebody out there. Next we have is a pair of lips, which I could actually do with right now because my lips are so sore. Could do with the new pair. Next we have is a kitty in an astronaut hat. I see loads of these stickers with the kitty and the astronaut. I don't know why. This says whatever forever meow. Look how cute that is. Little kitty paws. Next we have beautiful inside, and it's a fridge. I don't make the stickers, as I say, I just buy them. This pig seems to be dolled up for like Easter maybe. Who knows? Next we have a U sign, which looks like it's on a box of chocolates, which is kind of cute. We have a Galaxy cup. Now I believe this is in America they have like a yogurt shop or a soft serve ice cream place that is really popular, and I believe this is the kind of thing they do. You'd have seen the soft serve ice cream in Sex and the City. Charlotte goes to get one every night. And it's meant to be like soft serve ice cream or yogurt. This one says pray for the world. It's got little hearts. We have a hairdryer that says bad hair day. Now we all know about that, girls. Even the boys know about bad hair days. Everyone has one. This is kind of cool. It's like like the Twitter bird, but it's brightly coloured or pink. Next, we have a Wi-Fi symbol with a heart, because don't you all love your Wi-Fi? I'd be lost without mine because I wouldn't be able to work. Next we have is a play button for YouTube in pink. Next we have too cute for this planet. That's a bit of a bold statement, but we'll let it go. Next we have one that says hello. Just simple hello. We have a PlayStation 2 remote control. How cute is that? We have love potion, although it's kind of spelt wrong. We have a whale, in case you're having a whale of a time. I know. The puns are terrible. Let's be honest. This one says positive vibes, and it's like a perfume or a spray bottle. I guess you spray goodness into the world. Next we have Skittle Fruits, and this again has pink on it, so I'm guessing because it has pink on it, it counts. Next we have is these pink sunglasses, although they do look purple in my eyes. Next we have is a bunny rabbit with a heart. How cute. We also have Dunkin' Donuts. Everyone says that when you go to America, the one place you have to try is Dunkin' Donuts. It's like the hub for sweet treats. Next we have a pink telephone box. I don't know if there's anywhere in the world that actually has pink telephone boxes. Obviously the UK ones are red, or they used to be, until they took them all away. Next we have, I want to say this is a kitty, but its ears look kind of weird. Is that a cat? Comment down below. I think it's a cat. Next we have a little birdie. Reminds me of the birds from like Angry Birds, but she's kind of cute. Next we have this symbol. I warn you, it has swearing on. We'll just do it like that very quickly. This one says soda pop, which is kind of cute. This one says number 5 Chanel. Never tried Chanel perfume. My mum was obsessed with Chanel number 5 at one point. Next we have look at the bright side. It's like a slice of melon. We have a duck, but apparently because he has a pink bow, that counts. Do we let that slide? Is it pink because he has a pink bow? Next we have this shoe, which is kind of cool. Again, it's not pink, but we'll let it go. Next we have is a unicorn. It does have pink on it. I'm guessing the whole sticker doesn't have to be pink. We're just going for a kind of pink aesthetic as well. And then we have a pink shoe. We have a rainbow that says cute. We have some eyes, which are kind of cute. Again, not pink. This one says my battery is dying and so is my heart. We can all relate to that. We would be lost without our phones, let's be honest. This one says witch's brew, I guess. It's meant to be like a frothy milkshake or hot drink. And then we have 2 stickers left. We have a mystery ball, or a psychic ball, or a fortune teller's ball. And then we have a sticker that is 100% not pink. And this is a milk carton, which is quite clearly blue. So that was these stickers. That was the 50 pink themed, loosely pink themed in some cases, stickers from the company Fan, which is FANN underscore 7059. I will try and link their website down below, but their store does have a variety of stickers other than pink themed, although pink is loosely themed around here. But you can also get 200, 100, 300 and 1,000 piece stickers, which are $13.49. You can get 300 for £8. You can get 100 for a respectable $3.69, and you can get 200 for $5.99. Now, I am thinking of personally getting the 1,000 stickers because I'm that crazy, and I would love to go through 1,000 stickers. Let's be honest. The videos I could bring from 1,000 stickers would be monumental. It would be like a whole month-long series. So comment down below, should I buy the 1,000 stickers? Should I go crazy and spend £13? So here are the 50 pink stickers, loosely themed pink stickers, mind you. Some of them aren't pink, let's be honest. A yellow duck is not pink. Let's be honest. And a blue milk carton, don't see any pink. But if you like cute stickers, then this is the kind of stuff you like to watch. Then you are come to the right place, because I actually have 2 more lots of stickers coming that I already have nearby. So if you want to see more, give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below, do you collect stickers? Should I buy the big 1,000 stickers? And I will see you very soon for another video. Take care and thanks for watching. Bye.